How to create a home lab server. Creating a home lab server is one of the best ways to learn, test, and explore IT technologies in a safe and controlled environment. Whether you're an aspiring system administrator, a student, or an IT professional, a home lab provides a hands-on platform to experiment with server setups, virtualization, networking, storage, and even cybersecurity, all from the comfort of your home. What is a home lab server? A home lab server is a personal setup where you simulate enterprise IT systems. It can range from a single old PC running a few services to a rack-mounted multi-node environment. The goal is not just to build a server, but to learn how various technologies work together, such as virtual machines, containers, DNS, DHCP, firewalls, and more. Hammer and wrench key benefits of a home lab. Practice real-world IT tasks, e.g., configuring servers, testing OS, automating workflows. Learn tools like VMware, Proxmox, VirtualBox, Docker, and Kubernetes. Build skills in Linux, Windows Server, networking, and cloud computing. Safely test software and updates before applying them in production environments. Steps to set up your home lab server. 1. Define your goals. What do you want to learn? Virtualization, networking, DevOps, or cybersecurity. Your goals will determine the kind of hardware and software you need. 2. Choose your hardware. You can use an old desktop or laptop, a mini PC like Intel Nuke, a dedicated server, e.g., Dell PowerEdge or HP ProLiant, Raspberry Pi clusters for lightweight experimentation. Ensure your device has at least 8 GB RAM, 16 GB preferred, multiple cores, 4+ cores recommended, adequate storage, SSD for speed, HDD for capacity. 3. Select the right software. Hypervisor. Use Proxmox, VMware ESG, or VirtualBox to run multiple virtual machines. Operating systems. Install Linux, Ubuntu Server, CentOS, Debian, or Windows Server. Containers. Add Docker or Kubernetes if you're interested in modern application deployment. Management tools. Use web-based dashboards like Cockpit Portainer or Open Media Vault. 4. Set up networking. Use virtual switches, VLANs, or physical routers to simulate real network environments. This helps you understand routing, firewall rules, DHCP, and DNS configurations. 5. Secure your environment. Even in a home setup, basic security is crucial. Change default passwords. Keep systems updated. Use firewalls and fail-to-ban. Set up VPN if accessing remotely. What can you do with a home lab? Host websites or web applications. Simulate Active Directory environments. Practice server backups and monitoring. Learn automation with Ansible or scripts. Set up your own mail server, NAS, or media server like Plex.